Hello everyone. It's a pleasure that I have been given an opportunity to share my feedback about the online classes which are going on these days in Delhi Public School Shahid Path as well as in all other schools across the country because of the nationwide pandemic which all of us are well aware of. Now coming to the online classes, as parents, initially we also had a lot of doubts in mind that how the children are going to take up the classes, and we thought that it is going to be a one-way communication. The teachers will probably read the topic, will read the chapter, and the children will keep their mics on mute, and then they will listen to whatever the teacher is communicating, and the class will end there. But surprisingly, it worked out like a miracle for us. There is so much of one-to-one communication between the teachers and the students at Delhi Public School Shahid Path that it's like commendable. The biggest benefit of this is that the child sits so attentive during the class because they know that they can be asked anytime, any question by the teacher, so they are attentive throughout the class. And secondly, specifically mentioning about the pre-primary classes, paying attention to each and every child during a normal class is, I wouldn't say easy, but still easier than an online class when you're looking at all of them on the screen. And I sit besides my kids during the class and I see, kids prompting in between, saying one thing or the other, jumping here and there. But the patience that the teachers keep during that time is like commendable. It's like something which I cannot even imagine. I get irritated with 2 kids at home, and how the teacher is handling 25-30 kids during an online class, ensuring that she doesn't loses her cool, is something which all of us should applaud for. I have 2 kids studying at Delhi Public School. My elder daughter, her name is Akansha Rohit Kumar, she studies in class 3. And my younger one, she is Aishwarya Rohit Kumar and she studies in class prep. Although all the teachers, are putting in amazing efforts to make the online classes a great success, but still I would like to mention a couple of names here. Mrs. Neelam Shukla, who is a class teacher of class prep, Sunita Saini ma'am, my elder daughter's class teacher Neetu ma'am, the English teacher Shiny Lawrence ma'am, and not to forget the dance teacher, the music teachers. I mean, can you imagine you are facing the camera dancing, assuming that all the children are looking at you and they are following your steps? It is, it's like mind-blowing. And the best part is, again, that the timetable is set in a way that the child gets good breaks in between in form of activity classes. So there are art classes, there are music classes, there are dance classes, keeping in mind that if one subject is being taught, then the child gets a break, and then the second subject comes in, and in between there is an art class, there's a music class, so there is an activity. And to top it all, there are enough extracurricular activities on various occasions like Independence Day, etc., which are also being taken care of. So ultimately, definitely the children are missing going to school, missing meeting their friends, missing meeting their teachers, but their academic year is definitely fruitful. I, as a parent, would not say that 2020 has been a waste year for the children. They have acquired, they have learned a new way of gaining knowledge, of acquiring knowledge. And to share this with all the parents, do you realize when your children will grow up and they'll go for interviews, they'll definitely have the interviews over video conferencing, which is a trend these days. Corona or no corona doesn't matter. Video conferences and, meetings over the con calls is a trend. So our children are already trained on it. We don't have to do anything about telling them all this because they have already learned a new way. Even after when the schools reopen, if the teacher has to take up some important topic, maybe before the exams, maybe, she has to tell something to the children over a period of an hour or so, there is another mode of communication which is open, which kids have become so used to by now that it is a new learning for them. So, whenever you are in a situation, so right now the entire country, so many countries are in a situation, we always have 2 options. One is either to make the best out of it. The second is you crib over it. Even our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, has been telling us, please make the best out of the situation. So why not make the best out of it for our children? So once again, I would like to thank the principal, the teachers, the staff members, each and every person associated with Delhi Public School for making this academic year a year full of happiness, excitement, and another year of excellence for our children. And please take care of your health also. Please take care of your families and your well-being. Thank you so much.